Hello, and welcome to the Military History Research Centre, or MHRC, at the Canadian War Museum. This tutorial will introduce you to the museum's library collection and show you how to navigate our online catalogue. The library is located inside the MHRC and holds over 80,000 volumes. These extensive national collections of primary and secondary research material document Canada's military history from the colonial period to the present day. This includes regimental histories, memoirs, technical and field manuals, contemporary nonfiction, and literature. We also have 5,000 rare books and a collection of historical and contemporary periodicals and newspapers, wartime pamphlets, and multimedia material. We regularly acquire both newly published scholarly works and receive donations of historical collections. Our library catalog is powered by WorldCat, the world's most comprehensive database of information about library collections. Note that while both the Canadian Museum of History and the Canadian War Museum share an online catalog, we operate out of two separate branches. Anyone can request more information about our library material or arrange for on-site consultation. To ensure that we better serve you, we ask that visitors please send us a list of publications at least 3 business days in advance so that the request can be reviewed and prepared for your visit. Our staff can assist you in identifying materials upon request. Seasoned researchers are also welcome to browse our library shelves on-site. While we do not lend library material directly to the public, we do offer an interlibrary loan service for our general book collection to serve Canadians across the country. Please contact your local public library or university departmental library to arrange an interlibrary loan. To begin your online search, start by visiting our website at www.warmuseum.ca. From there, go to Research and Collections, followed by Search the Library. If you are looking for a specific book and already have the title, author, or ISBN, you can enter any or all of the information into the search bar. You can also use keywords if you do not have any specific information. If your search does not yield any results, consider adjusting your keywords. Even slight changes like pluralization or typos and spelling mistakes will render different results. Also, be aware of differing terminology, such as Great War versus First World War versus World War I. Alternatively, you can use the advanced search function, which allows you to set specific parameters for your search that will help you render a more precise list of relevant items. Regardless of how you begin your search, your results will be displayed the same way. While reviewing these results, you can refine them by changing the same parameters found in the advanced search function on the left side of the page. There are also several ways to sort your results, which can often bring otherwise buried items to the forefront. As part of the results page, our site displays a few key pieces of information about each publication. Of these, the call number is its strongest identifier, especially if you intend to consult it in person. For more information on a specific publication, simply click on its title or thumbnail to be brought to that publication's page. Here, as you browse through its details, take note that clicking on any of the underlined words will start a new search based on the key phrase that you've clicked on. Greater details of a publication's availability can be found in the Access Options window and towards the bottom of the page. Further down, you will also find tabs marked Browse the Shelf and Explore Editions and Formats. While the first of these allows you to navigate between other related books, the second allows you to see more information about different editions of the book you are viewing, including ebooks. Materials listed as online access, such as online journals, are only available on-site. Although we offer an ILL service, sometimes you can find the book in a public library close to you. You can consult the Other Libraries Worldwide button to list other libraries powered by WorldCat that carry this publication. At the top of every entry, we include links that allow you to easily cite in one of 20 different styles, share, or save publications to a list. Your list of saved items can be found in the top right corner of every page on the website so that you can consult it at any time during your research. This feature is especially useful if you are building a list of books you would like to consult on-site. The museum's library collection is rich in primary and secondary research material and is consulted daily by our historians and external researchers, students, academics, and beyond. We encourage you to explore our library catalog, consult our online resources, and visit us in person. For more information and other tutorials, please consult our website. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.